Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Scott. Today we're going to talk about how to choose a WordPress theme for your website. Before we begin, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and support me on Patreon, where I will be posting exclusive content, tutorials, reviews, and offer my supporters free consultancy on their projects. You will find the links in the description. So first thing we need to do is take a look at your business. Before you choose your theme, you need to define your business character. Whether it's a startup, a blog, a freelancer's website, define the message you want to send out. Do you want it to be, we are a serious business, we are fun and friendly? Also define your niche. Who do you target in your marketing campaigns? Is it doctors, realtors, parents? For example, if your main audience are doctors, you want to stay away from fonts, colors, layout that gives your theme the we are fun feel, and focus more on efficiency, user experience, and serious looks and colors. Make a list of features you want to add. A lot of people decide the features based on the theme, and that's not the right way to do it. Make a list of all the features you want and why you want them. Is it really important to have them on your website? Keep in mind that the more feature-rich your website is, it can have a negative effect on your page loading speed and your user experience. Think of user experience as a journey your visitors will have. Depending on the purpose of your website, you will want them to start at point A, move to point B, and end up at point C. Adding more features than you should will be very distracting to your visitors, so it will spoil that journey. Many themes, especially premium themes, will have a ton of features. The reason for that is for you to choose what works for you and not use all of them. You can use the filter on the WordPress theme here to choose the features you want on your website. And also, if you're searching through a premium theme marketplace like Envato Market or ThemeForest, try when you search to search using the feature as well, because they are added as tags in most of them when you browse the theme itself through their demo link. Please check for the features you want. Don't add all of them so it wouldn't bloat your website. And that takes us to the next point. Don't use bloated themes. When you're picking your WordPress theme, make sure that you don't choose a bloated one. A bloated theme is filled with GS code, CSS, and a lot of features that you don't really need. The reason they do that is to make sure that all people who purchase their theme will have all the features, colors, animations that they are looking for. But this can cause the theme to be very bloated. So, for example, if we check here, we got the bridge theme, which is a lovely theme. Looks very nice. It's got a lot of features. But if we do a page speed check on GTmetrix over here, you will find that it's only 68% structure. The performance is at 28%. The website loads fully. The fully loaded time is 10.6 seconds, and that's on their own demo link, which should be the best performance as it's their demo for people to purchase. One of the things here is avoid enormous network payloads. As you see, the images, the JavaScript, it's 5.23 megabytes, which is huge. Let's check down. We got 2.5 megabytes of images, 1 megabyte of JavaScript, 1 megabyte of video. It's really a lot. If we go to waterfall, we'll find that it starts loading in 2.4 seconds, which is a very long time. And if you check Google's standards for page speed, the website should be fully loaded in less than 2 seconds for Google to consider it eligible to rank it higher. So when you choose a theme, doesn't matter the looks or the features you want, but the page speed is more important. I'm not saying that forget about the design, forget about the features and choose the high speed, but when you choose the features you want, you have to compare different themes together to get the best one. And one of the main important things to have in a theme is the page speed. I cannot stress on how important that is, especially if you work on the search engine optimization. So make sure that you test the demo link, which is the most optimized version of that theme by their own creators. So they've done their best to make it as fast as they can and optimized as they can. And if you see the result is that high, that means that it's really hard for you to make it better. Even if you get a specialist or a page speed expert like myself, most of the time we cannot work with such bloated themes where if we change it, we're going to have to change the core files of the theme. That means that if it gets updated, it's going to be um, sorry, if it gets updated, all of our work are gone, or most of it at least. So make sure not to choose a bloated theme. Number 3 is to focus on the typography of the theme. Typography is the font size, colors, everything related to the text on your website. This is very important because a lot of people don't know that fonts and typography, they affect the thoughts, the feelings, the behavior of your visitors. This is a great article by Canva. It's about something called font psychology, which is a new concept, relatively a new concept, and it's going to be great if you look into that. You will understand how it affects people, why is it important, how to avoid the wrong fonts, how to make it suitable with your design. I'll leave the link in the description. You can take a look at it. You're really gonna love this one. If you're interested in having a great website, you can choose, or sorry, you can view the theme you're choosing, what fonts they have, what's the psychology, the messages behind those fonts, and decide upon that. The next thing we need to focus on is choosing a responsive theme. You need to make sure that your theme is responsive. Responsive themes means that it adjusts and reposition all the elements based on the screen size. If you're using a mobile phone, a tablet, an iPad, for bigger screens like iMac screens, for smaller ones like laptops, that the website and the theme, it is responsive to all those screen sizes. And the easiest way to check for that is going to a website called Responsive Test Tool. You can go and let's take the WordPress link and you just paste it in and click check. And through that, you can see how it works with every screen. For example, if we choose a mobile here, let's see iPhone 5, and that how it looks on iPhone 5. Let's check iPhone XS, that how it looks on desktop. Let's go for big ones, and how this is how it's going to look like, which is pretty responsive. So this is how you check for your website, sorry, for the theme you're choosing, if it's responsive or not. I'll leave you a link to some of the tools that I use to check for the theme, and you can check with that. So the next thing, we need to look at the web host. We need a fast, reliable, and secure web host with great technical support. I always advise people with 3 hosts depending on the location you're in. We've got InMotion hosting. If you're in the USA, InMotion hosting is great. If you're in Europe or other countries, I don't advise InMotion hosting because they don't have a data center there. Also, SiteGround, one of the greatest in my opinion. I always use SiteGround. You will find a link to SiteGround in the description of this video. They have an amazing support, amazing uptime, and they are very, very reliable. And also they got server-side caching with a WordPress plugin to connect with it, which is an amazing. I never used WP Engine, but I've heard a lot of reviews about it, that it's very good web host, especially for WordPress. I didn't try it, but a lot of people gave very good reviews about WP Engine, so take a look and choose the web host depending on your needs. I will be posting another video soon comparing different web hosts that I've used, and also give you the pros and cons on every web host, and hopefully it will be next week. Although that WordPress free themes, some of them are really good, but always consider buying a premium one. One of the main reasons for that is when you get a free WordPress theme, they are usually not updated properly, they are not very secure, they don't have much features, they are hard to integrate with other plugins, some of them are not SEO friendly. But premium themes, on the other hand, they don't cost a lot of money. You can purchase a theme for about $50, $20, depending on the theme you want. But at the end, you will have a feature-rich theme that is updated on a monthly basis most of the time, that is secure, but always, always check the ratings, the reviews that people give the theme. If you go to Envato, for example, you can see Avada theme, for example, it has 5 stars by 24,000 people, which is great. You can go to that and head to the reviews section and see what people say about it. And we got here one giving 1% for bugs, and we can check why this happened and what happened, and the reply as well to understand what was the problem. And this will help you decide if this theme is good enough for you. You can go to the support section and understand how they're going to support you once you purchase the theme. If they got any tutorials or documentation and how to get the support you need. You can check the comments section and see exactly what people say, any problems they have, any integration they needed, and how the theme developers team replied to them. So it's really important to get into that. So before you purchase a theme, you need to go to the reviews, comments, and support pages, and also the item details. You need to check the item details and understand exactly what are the features. Is it multilingual? If you're using more than one language. Also, you can check the changelog history of it. Mostly it's in, you'll find it at the end. Sorry, this is very long. Either that or on their own website. Yeah, so here it is. Use the changelog. Through that changelog, you'll understand how frequent the updates are. So we got this one on the 16th of June, 2021. The one before it is on the 8th of June, 2021. And before that, it was April 14th and March 30th, which is good. That means they're really looking after their own theme, and that gives you a bit of trust and security when you purchase that theme. You know they are updating the theme, they are checking all the problems, the bugs, the security leaks, the security problems of the theme, and they are fixing it. So make sure to check the changelog and understand what was the problems, how they fixed them. You have to understand the theme completely before you start working with it and delivering it to your client. The last point we'll talk about is where to get the themes. You got the WordPress theme directory, which you'll have a lot of free themes over there. You got over 8,590 free themes, which is a big amount, a huge amount of free themes. Also on Envato Market, themeforest.net, you will find a lot of WordPress themes. If you check here, how many WordPress themes they have. Let's see, they've got 52,294 WordPress themes. So you got a lot to choose from. You got themes archive. Studio Press. I'm sorry about that. Studio Press. They've got really good themes. They are also the creators of Genesis framework for WordPress, which is a great tool for WordPress theme developers. A lot of us use it all the time when we start creating themes. Also, you've got Elegant Themes, who are also the creator of Divi Builder. You can check that out. Also, we got Theme Trust. They don't have many themes, but their themes are good and in a good price. And if you're using it as an e-commerce, you got the Woo themes for WooCommerce on WordPress. You will find free and premium themes here. You will find also links in the description to some of the markets that you can check out. But if you're not really into using a theme or using the demo that they created or the demo layout, you can always go with a page builder. We've got many page builders. We've got Divi, WP Bakery, we've got Elementor, Beaver Builder. Uh, there's a lot of page builders. The one that I love the most, and I use it on 99% of the WordPress themes, the WordPress websites that I work on, if I'm not creating a custom theme, is Oxygen Builder. Oxygen Builder is a great, sorry, Oxygen Builder is a great page builder that not only you can use it to build your pages, but also the header and the footer areas, and it doesn't need anything to work with. It's very lightweight. It's amazing with page speed. It's compatible with most of the WordPress plugins. I've currently got a video tutorials on how to build your own WordPress website with Oxygen. You will find the link in the description. And also I've got another video, which is a theme and plugin review. It's a comparison between different page builders like Divi, Elementor, and Oxygen, and how to use them, and what is the result, and what's the page speed at the end. So this is our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please click on like, share, and leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos like this one, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next week where we will be talking about web hosts. Thank you.